Hey guys, I'm just filming a really quick tutorial on how to install SumoMe's List Builder plugin. It's one of the easiest plugins to use in terms of growing your email list. It takes only about 30 seconds to set up, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. The first and easiest step is to go to SumoMe.com's website and click the Try It Now, It's Free button. After you click that, it'll kind of prompt you to put in your email. This isn't totally necessary just yet, so I'm going to click Skip this step. After you do that, it's going to come up with a little bit of script that you can inject into your website. Now, if you're using WordPress, a lot of themes will have a place to put this script, but if you're kind of custom coding your app or your blog or something from scratch, then you're going to have to add this to the HTML just at the top of the site. If you have any questions on how to actually install this script, just comment down below and I'll do my best to kind of answer them. So now what I've done is I've grabbed this script, I've gone to the code in my website and I've just put it in the header area for my site. My website's just custom built. I've pushed it up to my server, and then now when I actually go to my website, so if I go to, I'm using Make Them Care, my agency site, there's a little blue square. It'll either be most likely to be on the top right or it'll be on one of the corners. Just kind of hunt for that little blue square and click it. After you've done that, it's going to come up with a login or sign up prompt. I've already logged in on mine, so I've kind of skipped that step, but for you, just quickly sign up and then it will prompt you with these three buttons: Notifications, Sumo Store, and Settings. What we want to do now is we want to go to the List Builder plugin in the store. So I'm going to click Sumo Store, and now it's going to show me the page where all the little add-ons and apps are. So the one that we want is right at the top. It says List Builder. So all you have to do is click on that, click on free, and now it's installed. That was pretty easy. So then you're going to go click open. And after it opens, you're going to click free. I mean, they've got a pro plan, a SumoMe Pro, and an unlimited option. I would kind of see which one fits for you. I would 100% suggest actually purchasing this plugin because there's a lot of pros with it, including A/B split testing, no branding. You can hide that little blue thing aside. But anyway, we're going to click the free button. Cool. The next step, what we're going to do is, this is your dashboard. So your dashboard is going to show you how many emails you've collected in the day, your daily stats, your recent subscribers, and then you can kind of just download them as a CSV and upload wherever you want. But what we're going to do, we're going to click the design button. I'm going to kind of run you through all the options. So basically, the design option, you can customize your header, you can customize the text, the kind of text where you put in your email address, and the subscribe button. You can also change all the colors. And something that I think is quite important is changing the size of it. I always like going with something large, grabs their attention, easy to do. But what a lot of people forget is the success page. So the success page happens after you've typed in your email address. So make sure that that's optimized to kind of thank your user or thank whoever's subscribing. And bonus points if you give them something free. Most people they're handing over your email address to make sure that they get a little bonus for that. After you've kind of customized that area of SumoMe List Builder, you want to then go to the behavior, and you want to customize this to your preferences. So, for example, I mean, a lot of these you don't really need to touch. The smart mode's great. It shows the best time to actually pop up, and I just have it set to show the users once a month, so it doesn't really bother them. The last thing that you probably need to do is if you use MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact, Campaign, all these type of things, I would suggest going to the Services tab, clicking on them, and integrating them. That way, when someone subscribes, they just automatically get sent off to your email provider. That's great if you have an autoresponder set up, because someone will get imported, triggering the autoresponder, and it all works like magic. So yeah, basically the end result is going to look like this. So now that we're done, you would have installed SumoMe's List Builder add-on and plugin. And I guess if you've already got traffic coming to your site, you'd already be collecting emails. It's super simple, it's easy to customize, and I highly encourage you to kind of keep A/B split testing, try different headlines, try different text, to see how you can really grow your email list. In the kind of description below, I put a couple of resources to kind of help you optimize your plugin. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned for more tutorials coming soon. Hit the subscribe button. Catch you later.